Can you tell which one is AI? They're both AI generated. And in the next several minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to create AI influencer videos so realistic that even experts can't tell the difference. The best part? You don't need expensive software, acting skills, or even a camera. Just follow this exact 4-step workflow. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to create the face of your influencer. And I'm going to show you a technique that makes your character 100% unique. Step 1. Head to this AI tool and click on the Tools section. We're using the Nano Banana Pro model. Step 2. Now here's the smart part. Go to Pinterest and search model face or influencer style. Pick someone whose vibe matches what you're going for, but don't worry, we're not copying them. Step 3. Upload that reference image. Now use this exact prompt. Based on the facial features of this girl, generate a new face that looks different from it, but still gets some inspiration from the uploaded image. This creates a brand new person, inspired by the reference, but completely unique. Step 4. Select your aspect ratio. I recommend 9:16 for social media, and set it to maximum resolution. Then hit generate. Pro tip, generate 3 to 4 variations and pick your favorite. This face becomes your influencer's identity, so take your time here. Perfect. Now we have our character. Let's bring her to life. Your influencer needs to move, talk, and express emotion. That's where motion reference comes in. Head back to Pinterest and search for the type of content you want to create. Find a video that matches your vision. For this example, I'm using this video. Now here's the critical step most people miss. Go to the very first frame of that video before any motion starts and take a screenshot. This screenshot is the bridge between your AI face and the motion. Without it, the results look off. With it, pure magic. Save that screenshot. You'll need it in the next step. Now we need to make your influencer match the exact angle, pose, and outfit from the video. This is where realism comes together. Head to this website and upload 2 images. Image 1, the screenshot from your reference video. Image 2, your AI influencer's face. Now type this prompt. Image 2 posing and dressing like image 1, same camera angle. What this does is take your influencer and pose her exactly like the person in the reference. Same angle, same clothing, same vibe. The key is keeping the angle and pose identical to the reference screenshot. That's what makes the final video look seamless. Perfect. This is the image we'll animate. This is where everything comes together. We're using Kling 2.6 Motion Control, and honestly, this tool is a game changer. Go to the video section and select Kling 2.6 Motion Control. You'll see 2 upload sections. Image section, upload your styled influencer image, the one we just created. Video section, upload your original Pinterest reference video. Now hit generate and watch the magic happen. Look at this. The AI has copied every single movement, the head tilt, the hand gestures, the facial expressions, and applied it perfectly to our influencer. The lip sync is accurate. The eye movements are natural. The body language is fluid. This is not your uncanny valley AI. This is professional grade content. And remember, this influencer doesn't exist. We created her from scratch, but viewers will never know that unless you tell them. Quick bonus tips before we wrap up. Always generate multiple variations in step 1. Your influencer's face is your brand. Make sure it's perfect. Use high-quality reference videos. Better input equals better output. Keep reference videos under 10 seconds for the best results. So that's the complete workflow. 4 simple steps to create AI influencer videos that look 100% real. All the tool links are in the description below. If this workflow helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials that actually work. Drop a comment and let me know what type of influencer you're going to create. Are you going fashion, fitness, tech reviews? I want to know. See you in the next one. Now go build something amazing.